Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrone. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best sites to apply for using a CPN or using your social. So there is 9 sites right here. I'm gonna go through each one. Upstart, we have Credible, we have Tree, we have Achieve, then we got Lightstream, Upgrade, Bankrate, Best A. So out of all of these, I recommend Credible, Upstart, Achieve, and Upgrade. So the rest are okay, but really for a CPN, it won't give you as much. So Upgrade, Upstart, it's the best one, and it gives you up to 50K. Most of these loans will give you around 50K, but realistically, it's also depending on your bank statements. If you say you make 5K, they won't give you 50K. You have to make at least, 6 figures for them to offer you 50K, So I'm going to show you guys a screenshot right here. It's an old screenshot from a long time ago. This is a payoff loan. It's paid off, during 2020. So if you have a payoff loan, then most likely you can get approved for a 30 to 50K loan later on. So I did apply for loans after this, and I pay a month already. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. I can qualify for another loan through Upstart, and I can request up to $50,000. So my APR is good because I have a good credit score with lots of history and stuff. And you guys can see the rates right here. If you pay it faster, the APR is shorter, it's smaller. The 5-year loan, the only difference is about 1.5. But 1.5 makes a big difference. The best thing to do is to pay the loan within 3 years. 5 years, they're gonna add interest on there, so I recommend you do 3 years. 3 years, it should be good enough for you to pay out the loan. Especially if you make 6 figures. If you don't, I recommend you 5 years, if anything. And here is another screenshot of a client that I've been working with. So his CPN gave him this offer. He has not accepted the offer yet. He still got time to choose. Well, basically, I told him to do the 5 years. But really, it's a CPN. You don't got to pay it back, but he's trying to use it just in general to replace the social. So $1,000, 10%, 10.55 is actually better. So if you get this an offer like this, just pick the 5 years because you pay less and they charge a little lower. So, but technically you do end up paying a little more, but, if you can't afford it, just pay, the 5 years is a little cheaper. And most people do that with cars as well. So you got to try and get, approved for a loan with a CPN and you got nothing on it. The best thing to do is to add primary trade lines, especially a paid off loan. Okay. Our loan, paid off mortgage, paid off personal loan is even better, but any loan will help you get, bigger funding. Okay. So I recommend you guys go to alltradeline.com, add trade line. You can add a 20K and you get approved for around 30 to 50K easy. It's best to stack them as well, so you can get the ones off for all trade line. They got other primary trade lines, and then nationcrowdlines.com. They also got primary trade lines as well. These actually report pretty fast on your credit, so I highly recommend them. Make sure you provide the CPN number, date of birth, address, and name to the company email after you made the purchase through checkout. All these will report to all 3 bureaus, and they should stay on for about 5 to 7 years. Most of them are permanent, by the way, so you have nothing to worry about. But yeah, so that'll be it for the video, guys. Upstart is what I recommend. Credible, Tree. Yeah, Tree is not that good. They just lend you to other third-party crappy banks. So yeah, just do Upstart, Credible, Achieve, and Upgrade. Best Egg is okay too, but really they're really strict. So yeah, so those are the CPN friendly ones, and I'll see you in another video. Make sure you guys subscribe and text my number for questions.